Do you know the best time of day to pull a sample? The time of day when you pull a sample will have a major impact on the level of BOD, TSS, ammonia, different factors for water quality. And if you are allowed to pull grab samples, you really want to choose a time of day that is both representative of an overall 24-hour period, but also is going to give you the best result. It's like taking a test. Every time you pull a grab sample, you're sitting down for a quiz. Your Lagoon's sitting down for a quiz. Now, if you were going to take a quiz, would you take it at 1 a.m.? No, you wouldn't take it at 1 a.m. because you'd be too tired. You wouldn't do very well on the quiz. So the same thing applies when pulling a grab sample from a lagoon. What we have found is in several studies, they looked at algae, and they looked at algae growth throughout the day and measured the amount of algae, which then can be correlated to the amount of TSS and potentially BOD as a derivative of that, to see what was the best time of day to pull a sample. And what they found was either at the end of the day, about 5 or 6 p.m. in that particular study, or the first thing in the morning, like 6 a.m. before the sun comes up, or before the sun really gets high in the sky. Obviously, algae being a plant, it'll grow more the higher the sun is in the sky. And that is when they got the best BOD and TSS results. So give it a try. The second factor is depth. Depth makes a big difference. Depending on the different times of day, and you'll get different levels of algae at different depths of the effluent. Typically, 2 or 3 feet down on the water column is a better place to pull the sample if you can. Some lagoons have multiple draw-off points on their effluent. You really want to be pulling from the bottom draw-off point during the summer months, above the sludge blanket, but certainly in the midpoint of the water column, below the water level, below about 3 feet where the algae grows. So hope that helps you. Speak to you soon.